Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. This is my first video for this new year. I'm very happy. I hope that you are fine and you're happy in your life. So I made new product for Valentine's Day because it's coming. Actually it's a lips pocket because there are two lips that you can make as a pocket. Let me just show you here, like that. They look very gorgeous. So it's going to be very quick video how to assemble this lip pocket. In the kit you're going to receive one PDF file with 2 pages and 1 gift page, of course, because I like to make gifts. So let me just show you fast, because I know that this video is going to be very short, how to make and to assemble this one. It's very gorgeous and very beautiful. I'm very happy that I managed to make it. There it is. It's very beautiful. And this is one mini card for Valentine's Day. As you know, if you watched from my previous videos, I like very little things. That is why I made for Valentine's Day mini books, and I'm going to show you in a few days how to assemble them. So it's very easy. Just cut out the goodies and the pocket. There it is. They are gorgeous and very simple. It is very simple to make it. You don't need something special. If you want, you can decorate it with something. Let me just put some little glue here on the lip. And just to align the 2 lips to make them as a pocket. It's very fast to make it, so it's going to be very interesting gift for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to use this flower as, let me just think, as a decoration. You can use sequins or glitter to decorate the lips. There it is. It's very, as I said, it is very fast to make. This is little note. Probably here. I'm going to put this little note like that, and a flower, and let me just put back the lips together. I mean the other lips together fast. And this beautiful strawberry, like that. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this very, let me just zoom it. I hope you enjoyed this very fast video. And see you in my next one. Bye guys.